Hello, Columbus, Ohio. It's me again. I hope you guys had a great New Year's. And at least one of your New Year's resolutions was to come back to the Columbus, Ohio Azure Meetup and maybe even present some of the cool stuff that you're doing with Azure. We've got a lot of great stuff coming up. On January 17th, Drake Lundstrom from Nudesic is going to be presenting on the do's and don'ts of cloud migration. And on February 28th, yours truly will be presenting on how to get out of the portal, the CLI, and working with those messy JSON templates and start building truly maintainable infrastructure as code for your Azure environments using Terraform. The March meetup spot is still open, and we're even working with our friends on the other side of the aisle at the AWS meetup to do a cross-cloud, multi-cloud mashup, possibly in March. So stay tuned for that. We'll see if we can get something together. And if you have a multi-cloud story that you'd like to tell, please reach out to me. Because at these multi-cloud crossovers, we're hoping that it'll be something that truly speaks to the unique challenges faced by managing multiple clouds. Now, speaking of multi-cloud, I wanted you to be aware of another meetup here in Columbus, Ohio that I'm also helping organize called the HashiCorp User Group. Now, if you're not familiar with HashiCorp, they make a ton of multi-cloud or cloud agnostic tools that can be used whether you call AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or whatever cloud your home. I'll also be speaking at that meetup on February 7th about Azure policy and policy as code. So if you want to go check that out, learn more about Azure and multi-cloud toolchains like the ones that HashiCorp makes, definitely check out the HashiCorp User Group, or the Hug of Columbus. It's a great and welcoming group of people. And because of the diversity of ideas, you might run into other concepts or ideas that you wouldn't otherwise. So from a career standpoint, it's a great way to get yourself a little bit more well-rounded, outside of just the Microsoft ecosphere. Anyways, remember we have a Discord, so join that and connect with me and others within this group on there. Follow us on the LinkedIn page. And if you're interested in presenting, please, please, please submit those proposals in the Discord group so that we can get you lined up and to share your thoughts and insights to the rest of the group. Really looking forward to connecting with you all and listening to Drake's talk on the 17th and also talking to you guys about Terraform and Azure policy if you want to join me there. Anyways, lots more to come with the Azure Meetup of Columbus, Ohio. Looking forward to a great 2024. Hope to see you there. Cheers.